Hello, welcome back to my Shabby Craft Corner, and this is a design team project that I've done for Ruffles and Roses for Ooh La La Vintage Treasures. And I'll start with this one here. I used a cereal box and I cut it down so it's like a file folder. I've made 2 envelopes to go in it, which I'll end up embellishing with laces and bits there. As you can see, I have lined the inside with the Ruffles and Roses as well. I didn't have no feet left, so I created my own feet. So that's a bit, so it does stand. It looks better when it's standing and there's like a drop of lace. I've put a mould frame on this image, which is separate. This is not one, isn't in the kit. I found it online. I've made a flower up of wedding embellishments there. I've lace around the edging. As we turn it, you'll start to see more of the paper digital design on the back, and I need to do some more lace to just run down the edges there at the bottom there. So that's one of my projects, and this is a challenge that I'm setting for everyone. Just get a cereal box and make a file folder. Then I created this accordion love heart here. I'm just, sorry, that's my back rubbing up the leather of the chair. Embellish the front. So this is with the mini calendar as well on our Etsy that's recently been listed, that I've used for this love heart accordion. Each section I've embellished with little bits of laces and added some pearl drop around the sides. As I've got one hand today because I wanted to kind of show it this way. On the inserts I have just cut out the hearts. There are several hearts. I've got them in all different pockets here. I'll just take them out. Like this. I've double backed them onto the backs so I can put little notes on and just shove in each section. Of the accordion file folder. And I will link all the digitals to the Ruffles and Roses in the link below. And I do hope you join me with this challenge. I'll obviously set it for a YouTube challenge for people watching. And just tag me, my Shabby Craft Corner, when you've done the challenge. And yeah, so these are my design team projects for Ruffles and Roses at Ooh La La Vintage Treasures. Thank you for watching.